So we have a mukbang here. Thank you for the 50 subscribers. We will be doing a 50 subscriber special right here. And we're gonna just have a mukbang on a french fry. McDonald's french fry mukbang. And I'm with my cousin, my favorite cousin.
How about Ate?
And Ate Tintin, my favorite cousin too. And Ichan.
We're the Eulalia cousins.
You mean the Eulalia cousins here.
Dylan, where's Dylan?
Sorry, Dylan.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ateria.
And sorry, Ateria.
Oh,
Having
I'm
it.
sorry.
I like this one of my favorite fries. Even though it's not fresh, but it's good. So my goal is to hit 100 subscribers.
Oh my God! Wow!
And possibly maybe 500 subscribers.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hopefully by the end of the year of 2020. Just had my chill day, hang out with my cousin. You have a YouTube channel? This is just love McDonald's. Don't usually have McDonald's because there's always better fast food places to eat. But the exceptional are McDonald's French fries. Usually I'll eat at Five Guys with my family. But I do want to make a video about Five Guys, but I won't get viral. Because there's so many people who doing Five Guys. So, the reason why having a hard time doing Five Guys unless try to make a unique video about it. Thinking about what video to make, a food review or the comparison, food comparison in the future. But luckily in Winnipeg, there's only 15 cases. So that's a good thing. But it's still a bad thing though. So Instagram, I will post an update. That's what I do all the time. So I will post this on Instagram on an update. And I just like doing YouTube. It's like my hobby. I like editing videos. And hopefully I can hit 1 million subscribers one day. This is our progress. Sian, show it. I'll hold the ketchup for you. Now you can show it. Progress right there. Already made a mess, guys. Do you like McDonald's fries, Sian? How about you, Ate Tintin?
Yep.
You're not in the video.
Hi.
How's it, Chan Chan?
Good.
Like it? Yeah, this is probably my favorite fast food fries. Like comparing to Burger King.
Sorry.
Even though I don't eat a lot of Burger King in Canada, since they're so soggy.
Sorry.
I'm not gonna lie, but I might do a food review though, if I want to, just to get some contents up, videos up. But if I can't find a video to make, this is what I usually do. I just upload my old videos from my old channel, put into this channel, JdizzEats channel, by the way. If you want to know, if I can't find an idea, if I ran out of idea and don't have time, that's where I'm going to throw it in. Sian, would you make a YouTube channel in the future?
Maybe.
Maybe. My aunt got 1K subscribers, surprisingly.
In 3 months.
In 3 months. That's like a big surprise. Yeah. She makes some cooking videos, my aunt and my uncle. What was your favorite video on that channel? Our Aunt Mama's channel.
Her samgyeopsal video.
Yeah, I gotta go with the samgyeopsal video and gintan alimasag, coconut crab.
It's fun.
Yeah. Just hopefully, we're just waiting for aunt to come. My aunt to come. Cause I'm hanging out with my cousin right now. But for next step, I will try to upgrade my equipment. But my first thing will probably be is getting a new phone. And then getting the laptop. And then hopefully try to get a GoPro and another drone maybe. Cause I have a drone at home. But it's just my practice drone, but fortunately they said it was my real drone. And then I accidentally crashed into a school wall. So the propellers on my drone we gotta get it fixed. It's not moving, the propellers of my drone. But I try to get good at flying the drone. So when I go travel, I'm ready for it, and hopefully not land it on the water or the trees in there anywhere, or on top of the mountain. Sian, what's your favorite fast food fries?
I like McDonald's and Popeyes.
Hey, same. How about you, Chan Chan?
McDonald's. McDonald's.
Yeah, same. Yes. How about you, Ate Tintin?
McDonald's.
Yeah.
Five Guys.
Five Guys, yeah. I like Five Guys, Popeyes, and McDonald's fries. But Burger King's kind of similar to this, but you can't beat McDonald's. It's famous. That's why it's called famous fries, for a reason.
Almost done.
Almost done.
You guys should greet her.
Almost done. So what do you want to say in the video?
Hey, you guys should greet her. Happy birthday. It was her birthday yesterday.
Yeah, her birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday to my cousin.
Turned 18.
Just turned 18 like me, I did.
How was your birthday, Sian? Oh. Let's see. I'm starting to get full. Are we supposed to finish? Well, yeah. I'll try. I'm
More salty.
Yeah, more
That
salt.
plate's almost done.
Can't go wrong with putting salt here, unless if it's salty.
I'm really full.
You full?
There's an ad in your video.
Yeah, there is.
Is that something you click?
Yeah. Yeah. So hoping in the future video I will feature my aunt and my uncle, Tony and MJ.
MJ.
Mama.
Go subscribe.
Yeah, go subscribe to my aunt and uncle. They just hit 1K in 3 months. They used to have like 11 subscribers. Now they got like to 1K.
What's their channel name?
Tony MJ TV. So go subscribe to them.
I'm full. What drinks do we have with the fries, JD?
No drink challenge.
No chats. Water. You just drank. I just drank.
Oh yeah, I just drink right after it.
You win. You win.
Hey, we just finished.
One plate.
Now on the other half here.
Other plate.
Other plate. Hey, we'll do it. Hey, we do it. Right here. Hope it doesn't drop. There we go. So,
I'm gonna get more drinks though.
yeah.
It's a no drink.
Well, I can't do it.
Just kidding.
I want a drink too.
You already won.
Yeah.
Uggy has water.
Here you go.
I'm good.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
I just eat my own fries that I touch.
You try and go here. You're still eating.
Yeah, we're gonna feature my younger cousin in the video. Still eating fries. Hopefully, this is a good challenge here.
I'm starting to get full.
One still left over. Oh, we're almost done. At least, I don't know, 12 more. Or 10. Who's gonna get the last one? You or JD? Wow. We're done, guys. Oh, JD got
Don't
it.
forget to clean that.
We're done.
Yeah, 50 subscribers special. McDonald's fried mukbang here.
So both
Yay! Now our goal is hit 100 subscribers and maybe 500 subscribers. So we're gonna end up the video right here. Thank you for watching. If you do enjoy, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share this to anyone. And guys, come here. And see you guys next video. Bye.